For my consulting project, my group and I did extensive research on weight management pills in order to help the question for our client. What would it take for doctors to recommend this product? We read about the reasons why there is a stigma surrounding weight loss supplements and why doctors don't recommend them often, despite them working. We explored the possibility of convincing doctors to recommend this product. Personal trainers and doctors were also interviewed about supplements, and we asked them if they would recommend them. All of the doctors said that they would never give a patient a supplement because they don't completely trust them, and that healthy eating and exercise is far more important. Specifically, in my research, I found that one reason for the stigma surrounding weight loss supplements is their bad history. The drug fen-phen has caused many negative side effects and even death. I have found that only 15% of doctors recommend the supplements, despite far more taking it themselves. Another reason supplements aren't recommended by doctors is that it is very hard to prove that they actually work. We created a PowerPoint and spoke to our client about our findings and recommended that they sell online and have personal trainers instead of doctors recommend the supplement. We also suggested they approve the product to the FDA, as our research said that was extremely important, especially if they want personal trainers and doctors to recommend the product to their clients. The job that I'm interviewing for requires people who enjoy taking on challenges and those who are achievement-oriented. It also requires independent thinkers who can work without much direction. In this project, we were given little direction and told simply to help our client. I had to pretend that I was the one selling these supplements, so I asked myself, how would I convince somebody to sell or recommend these? In this project, I enjoyed the feeling of a challenge, because selling anything is never easy. This job also wants people who prefer working in unconventional ways or on tasks that require creativity. I think that this project certainly required innovation. Our original question was, what would it take for doctors to recommend this product? And everything in our research suggested that doctors would not recommend a weight loss supplement, so we had to find a creative solution. We ended up suggesting that they instead have personal trainers recommend the product, because their feedback was far more positive in our interviews. I think that through the creative solutions I defined, as well as the flexibility I learned completing this project remotely, I learned and built upon a lot of valuable skills needed for this job.